This is the fit for the day. It's also the literal last outfit I brought, so I need to go shopping. Alright, you know the drill. In the fucking islands, we don't do perfume, we do bug spray! This toilet has literally not shut up all night. It's so annoying. But at least we're not sleeping in the toilet. Alright, change of fits because I'm going to wash some elephants.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh my god. Nice. You want more? What? There you go. What'd you go for?
A little bit cheeky. I need more tourists come to Bali.
Yeah.
I can help my economy.
Yeah, we're posting everything on Facebook.
Does he just grab it? Okay, ready, Daniel?
Yeah. Let's wait for the post here. You like it?
More money comes to Bali.
Baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! So cute. You gonna drink your own nasty poop water? Shove that thing back in your throat. Booty, 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 booty. Rockin' on the wall.
Again. Day 3 or 4, whatever it is.
He's getting us potatoes.
He's the best.
Best driver yet.
Oh, you're amazing!
Potato.
Our favorite. Thank you.
How do you say thank you again?
Suksamo.
Sukamo. Sukamo. Cheers. Sukamo.
How do you say cheers? Cheers. Tusk. bag is more soaked than anything, to be honest.